We're going to create a video on how to create a GPX file and then load it into Garmin for turn-by-turn directions. So I'm using this application called gpx.studio, and I'm starting off with the global view, zooming in, and then I'm clicking on various points that I want to connect to. And you see at first there, the 2 points I connected ended up with a route that I didn't really prefer. I want to go down this. If you see it, it says Westbrook Road. I want to go down Westbrook Road because it's a dirt road and it's kind of fun. So it's not the preferred route that that Garmin or this GPX application would use. So what I'm doing is I'm clicking incrementally, just smaller little dots or waypoints you might call them. But at any rate, I'm clicking along to get to the route that I want. So once I get to the route that I want, and it's for the start and finish of where I want to get to, then I can go ahead and export that file as a GPX file with this gpx.studio app. It's all free and it's really fantastic. So in this case, it'll export it as new.gpx. Now, if I want to name the file, in the very lower left, you see I have it set up as test_YouTube. And then I can create a new file, test YouTube 2, and let's create a new different route. So here I'm going to start on Birmingham Road. I'm going to click on this Derby Road. And if you see here, I'm going to go down this Derby Road. It's another gravel road. I'm going to go on this little loop, and then I'm going to go up Row Road and then down Clarity, if you see up ahead there. So if I was going to go right from my first point down to Clarity, it would bypass Derby and Row. But I want to take those routes, so I'm showing you how you can create your own route and Garmin won't reroute you. And the way we're going to do that is, again, do an export. This is test YouTube 2. And then I can go ahead and take those files that I created and I'm going to text them to myself. And then I can open by clicking, open any of those files, and then click on the lower left, the export, and send it up to Explore. And then once I send it to Garmin Explore, I can go to my Garmin Zumo and click on the apps button. And from apps, I want to go to tracks. Explore will put it into the tracks. And you'll see I have test YouTube 2, and that's what we're going to play with here. I click the wrench in the upper left, and then I want to scroll down and click convert to trip. And then it's cool. You can do start to finish or finish to start. You could do both. I click start to finish, and then you can name it. I like to append on trip onto the end of that. So it's test YouTube trip. It saves it to the trip planner, and you click OK, and then you can go ahead and click done. And then once you click done, you can exit out at the lower left. Click that exit out. I can go into the apps and then the trip planner and then save trips. And then once it syncs, I should see it in the imported trips. And then I can select the one that I'd like to use. And then it gives you this funny editing. You just click OK. And then you want to click go, click closest entry point, and then it'll calculate and it'll show you the route. And then you hit the start button, and then it'll take you on your route and you're on your way.
Sometimes it hurts so bad. Sparrow, sing the song, don't be long, thrill me to the past.